In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up NordVPN on Kodi so your streaming stays secure, private, and unrestricted. The setup is very straightforward, so let's jump right in. First, install NordVPN on the same device you use for Kodi. If you're on Windows or macOS, go to the NordVPN website and download the app for your operating system. If you're using Android or a Fire Stick, simply search for NordVPN in the Google Play Store or the Amazon App Store. And if you're on Linux, you'll need to follow the terminal-based setup instructions provided in NordVPN's official guide. Once the app is installed, open it and log into your account. After signing in, you'll see the Quick Connect option, which automatically connects you to the best server for speed and security. If you're trying to access specific content, like services available only in certain regions, you can also choose a server manually, such as a UK or US server. With the VPN connected, open Kodi and start browsing your favorite content. NordVPN will run quietly in the background, encrypting your data and hiding your IP address. That means more privacy, better security, and fewer restrictions while you stream. If you don't have NordVPN yet, you can use my affiliate link in the description to get 74% off plus 3 extra months, which is an excellent deal. And that's all there is to it. You're now set up to use NordVPN with Kodi. Enjoy your streaming, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.